Hey guys, it's the 11th grade career education class with Mr. Stewart and
Miss Lively. It's time to start career planning.
all right, getting started assignment. Choose a career that you want to obtain. That's realistic. We need you to list 5 reasons why you would choose this career based on your skills, interests, and abilities. How can planning your career help you take control of your future? All right, I'll tell you how. Set goals academically, set goals career wise, focus on your future, allow yourself to explore while you achieve your goals, and build up interest and skills.
But what if I haven't chosen a career yet, miss? Oh my goodness, I can hear some of you guys now. No worries. Actually, this is the reason why Mr. Stewart and I are here. First, you need to research post-secondary education options. Maybe you want to go into the vocational field. Maybe you want to go to college. Maybe you just want to go straight into the workforce. Next, become familiar with the location in which you would like to live and work. If you choose to stay in your county, do you still want to work in your county or do you want to work outside of your county? Maybe you decided that the job that you want is better living somewhere else. These are all things that you should Google. Remember, Google is your friend. Identify employment trends. This would be if you want to be a fashion designer. Do you want to be a fashion designer in Cumberland County? How likely is it for you to gain employment that way? Or do you want to move outside of Cumberland County and become a fashion designer in, I don't know, what do you think, Mr. Stewart, Los Angeles?
Why not? Miss Lively, once I make a career plan, am I stuck with it for life?
Myth busted. No, no way, Mr. Stewart.
Well, a career plan is flexible. Most people revise and change their career plans many times in their lives. Your plan may change because your interests and abilities may have changed. What about you, Miss Lively? Have yours changed?
Huh, they certainly have. I wanted to be a princess when I was younger. Doesn't look like that's going to happen now. Assignment part 1. Okay, guys, here comes what you owe us. Please complete the Getting Started assignment mentioned on slide 3 and email me the list that you have compiled with your reasons of why or why not each career is obtainable. Remember, you need at least 5 careers.
Assignment 2. Think of your career related goals. They should include one academic goal, one volunteer goal, one personal goal, and one skill building goal. In a paragraph, I need you to list the goals you have set, whether you've accomplished them or not. What are you doing now to accomplish each goal? Send a paragraph of goals. Make sure you email them as well.
And last but not least, assignment part 3. Here's where we need you to access your NJCAN account.
Okay, go into your profile tab and click on Career Plan.
Once you clicked on Career Plan, go to where it says click on Getting Started.
On the side in the gray box, click on Know Myself.
Complete data, people, things, checklist worksheet, and email it back to us.
Last but not least, complete Thinking About Yourself worksheet and make sure you email it to us.
All right, guys, until next time, we'll see you later.
See ya.